solving homogeneous ordinary differential equations, and we want to use a substitution y is equals to vx, and the equation should be of the form dy dx is equals to a is a function of x and y divided by b, which is also a function of x and y. And we have an example of dy dx is equals to x plus 3y all over 2x. And so we want to make the substitutions. So we want to substitute y is equals to vx, and therefore dy over dx. In this equation, if we differentiate y with respect to x, it will be equals to v dx over dx plus x dv all over dx. And that gives me an equation of the form v plus x dv over dx. Now you find that this dy dx is related to this equation there. Therefore, when we combine the two equations, dy dx is x plus 3y over 2x should be equals to v plus x dv all over dx. And that's what we have. And so what we want to do is we want to rewrite that equation, x over 2x plus 3y over 2x is equals to v plus x dv all over dx. That is what we have. And we know this is 1 over 2 plus, what is the value of y? We know y is vx over 2x is equals to v plus x dy dv all over dx. So we have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2v should be equals to v plus x dv all over dx. This I'll get a half. 3 over 2v minus v will be 1 over 2v, which will be equals to x dv all over dx. I want to write this equation, 1 plus v over 2 times 1 over x times dx is equals to dv. So the integral of dx over x is equals to 2 the integral of dv all over 1 plus v. And therefore ln of x plus c should be equals to 2 ln of 1 plus v plus c1. Ln of 1 plus v squared is equals to ln of x plus c2. C2 is a combination of c and c1, which is still a constant. Then I introduce the exponential function on both sides of the equation so that I can do away with the ln. Therefore, 1 plus v squared should be equals to e raised to power ln of x plus c2, which will be x times e of c2. And this, I can also give it another letter. I call it a plus v squared is equals to a times x. And I know that y is equals to vx. Therefore, v is equals to y over x. And therefore, whenever there is a v, I'm going to substitute with y or plus y squared is equals to a times x cubed. I can leave that at that point, or I could go ahead and say x plus y is equals the square root of ax cubed, and therefore y is equals to ax cubed to power a half minus x. And that is the solution to that homogeneous ODE by substituting y is equals to vx.